Ladies and gentlemen, after that captivating display by the Sukhoi 30s, here we have in front of us the light combat helicopter, the Prochhand. Though light in weight, this machine carries the punch of a heavyweight. This aircraft has entered operational service, and it is absolutely certain it would live up to its name, the Prochhand, the fierce, striking terror in the hearts of the enemy. The display today is being performed by Wing Commander John and Group Captain Rajiv Dubey. Ladies and gentlemen, please notice the rapid pull-up and the unique ability of the rotor as the pilot bunts the helicopter under negative G to come to a hover position far away from the ground. As you can see, this flying machine, the Prochhand, has sufficient reserve of engine power and the rotor thrust. The Prochhand now is diving sharply, gathers momentum to come in front of us to demonstrate sharp minimum radius turns.
हवस नहीं किसी पे कोई वश नहीं क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी में तुम हार दो मान मान शान या जान का उलाट बाजे धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो
Ladies and gentlemen, here she is, the light combat helicopter Prochhand, right in front of you. It's now readying to perform some lateral movement parallel to the runway, which will culminate in the majestic extreme tail-up maneuver. Here she is, moving rearward at top speed.
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम हार दो मान शान या की जान का उदान आज
Now she goes, tail up, the extreme tail up maneuver. This demonstrates the razor sharp response and the control power available to the pilot. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has placed India among those very few countries that have capability to design, develop and produce dedicated combat helicopters. Combined with the single-engine light utility helicopter World War Horse ALH Dhruv, HAL has rendered India truly Atmanirbhar in rotary flying machines, both in intent and in content. is doing a rudder turn right in front of us. Self-reliance in such strategic machine is unequivocal for India's defense, and products like ALH, the light combat helicopter prochhand, and the new baby light utility helicopter are part of Atmanirbhar success story of HAL. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm round of applause as the prochhand is exiting after an enthralling display.
हवस नहीं किसी पे कोई वश नहीं क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो दस्तकों के झूठ आज ढंग की घड़ी की तुम हार दो बादशाह या जान का उलान बाजे धनुष के बाण पे